Let's talk about keeping your data safe with backup and offline mode. On desktop, Assan Jewel is offline first. It works completely without internet, saving everything on your device. So even if your connection drops, you never stop selling. With a plan that includes online backup, your data also syncs to the cloud. That means it's backed up safely, and you can restore it on another device. At the top, a small indicator shows whether you're online, offline, or syncing. Syncing happens automatically when you sign in, and you can start it anytime with Sync Now. Each record shows whether it's synced or still pending. Without online backup, your data simply stays on this one device. The mobile app is online, so it always works with your latest cloud data. Next, let's tour the Assan Jewel mobile app.